This video is an unboxing of 2019 design competition wear, Such a Gem Dania Zarr, or Dania. She was designed by Ryan Ling and is part of the fashion royalty line. He describes her name, Such a Gem, as what I envisioned Dania would wear at the gala red carpet event. He also added that, being a bold and influential fashionista, she wears a statement asymmetrical evening dress in a luxurious shade of emerald. I will show you a 360 view of her main outfit, the 3-in-1 mix and match pieces, her accessories, and also show her redressed. This is look 1, straight out of the box. She is wearing a green dress with pleats and a puff sleeve. It's a glamorous, intricately draped, asymmetrical gown. The gold mesh shimmery skirt is removable. She has a lot of great jewelry, such as a multiple chain necklace that's gold. Her 4 bracelets have red ruby stones in them. Her fluffy faux purse is darling. She is so gorgeous. Love her. Her skin tone is Japan and she has blue eyes. She has smoky eye makeup. She has black brows and no lower lashes. Her black hair is pulled into an elegant chignon. This is outfit version 2 from the front. It has a small loop on the side to attach the extra fabric onto the dress. This is outfit version 2 from the side. This is what the gold skirt looks like by itself. It's a complete piece that you can reuse. This is version 3 without any skirt attachments. It's a shorter, sexier version. I just love how these pieces are so versatile. This is my own version of the dress. You hook the extra fabric to the back of her gown where you close the gown at, so it looks like a bustle in the back. This is how it looks like from the front. I think it's my second favorite look. There is still more of the review to come, but I just want to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe to Daintyville to see more videos as they are released. Her earrings are simple but elegant with a single ruby stone. There is a chunky bracelet and then 3 smaller bracelets also with the same ruby stones. I think these bracelets will look great with the Tatiana goddess outfit. It originally came with emerald jewelry. Her second set of jewelry includes a ring and a multi-chain necklace. Once I removed the necklace, it ended up being a long necklace that you have to wrap around the neck several times. It kind of reminds me of when Barbie had jewelry that you and she could both wear. I love this purse. It has luxurious faux fur and has large golden hoop handles. It goes with many outfits. The zippered gold-toned high heel sandals are easy to get on. It has red stones embedded into the strap. She has a pair of long, manicured hands and an alternate pair of grip hands. She is wearing intimate soiree Agnes's dress and the red Style Lab scene jacket. Her jewelry, purse, and shoes look great with this outfit. This bright cherry red sequin gown is from Sparkling New Year Victoire. She is wearing Powerhouse Ayumi's dress and has her cute fluffy handbag, of course. Glamour Puss's outfit matches her lipstick perfectly. Elise's dress and her jewelry looks great on her. I love the purse with this outfit. Thanks for watching the overview. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow Daintyville on social media. The links are in the description. Thanks! Please check out my other videos. Thank you.